Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny, aka the Dude. Today we'll be making a White Russian. If you haven't seen The Big Lebowski, you're probably wondering, why am I dressed like this? This drink was actually created back in the 50s, 60s, and it would have just kind of slid into obscurity, but in the 90s, The Big Lebowski came out, and the dude, Jeff Bridges, drinks about 9 of these throughout the whole movie, and that movie brought it back. This drink is basically like the epitome of a couch cocktail. The dude himself, as you can see, is ultra relaxed and doesn't like to put a lot of effort into a lot of things. This cocktail is just super easy to throw together. All you really need is some vodka, or you can do without, and it's still delicious, to make a mocktail version. Some cream, so I'm using half and half. If you don't have Kahlua at home, we're going to be using some espresso or some strong brewed coffee. Some sugar syrup, so you can use a white sugar. I've used a demerara or a darker sugar for this one because it plays nicely with the coffee. And then a couple drops of vanilla extract. Cheers to the dude. I think you'll really like this one. And if you don't like it, well, that's just your opinion, man. Now hop on the couch and let's open up. To start off, I'm just gonna build this right in my glass. We wanna make this as easy as possible. So I've actually chilled it ahead of time. Normally you'd shake to chill it, but we're just gonna go ahead, build it right in the glass. I also tossed some ice in there. I made a sugar syrup, so this is a demerara sugar syrup, just equal parts hot water and sugar. I would recommend using 3/4 of an ounce. Make it a full ounce if you want it to be nice and sweet. And next I'm gonna add 2 ounces of espresso or strong brewed coffee. 1.5 ounces of cream. 1.5 ounces of vodka. And just for a little added seasoning, I guess, just to tie all the ingredients together, because we're not using Kahlua either, just to give it that kind of liqueur undertone. Couple drops of vanilla. I'm using real vanilla, that makes a big difference. I'm just gonna give it a stir. So easy, that's about it. Cheers.